Hello friends, welcome to my channel. There is an art show, cultural walk in Ravindra Bharati main hall on November 3rd, and on 4th and 5th there is an exhibition of hand painted designer sarees and dhoti kurta for men. This is a designer saree and it is being painted by a senior artist, Mrs. Beena Gupta. This beautiful saree of paisley art will be worn by her on that day for cultural walk in Ravindra Bharati on November 3rd. So I want you all to come and encourage all the artists, senior artists in Ravindra Bharati. The program time is 10 to 2 p.m. in the morning on Friday, the 3rd November. Please come and encourage all the artists taking part in this show in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad. She is Beena Gupta from Hyderabad doing paisley art. This is another senior artist participating in our show of cultural walk. Her name is Beena Arun from Cochin. Please come and encourage all the artists who are taking part in this show. There are many artists coming from many different places. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends, and please come and encourage all our artists in this show on November 3rd at 10 a.m. on Friday. Please come on 4th and 5th also for the exhibition. Thank you.